Pendulum Akkermansia review. Does it really work? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. If you're thinking about trying Pendulum Akkermansia and want to know whether it can actually support gut health and metabolism, the next few minutes will give you a clear answer. You'll learn what makes this probiotic different, how to use it correctly, and whether it may be worth adding to your daily routine. This supplement focuses on a single beneficial bacterium called Akkermansia muciniphila. This type of bacteria naturally lives in the gut and plays an important role in maintaining the lining of the digestive system. A healthy gut lining helps the body absorb nutrients properly and supports overall metabolic balance. Research has also linked higher levels of this bacterium with healthier blood sugar levels, improved metabolism, and better digestive function. The goal of the supplement is to help replenish these beneficial microbes so the gut can maintain a healthier environment. What makes this product stand out is that Akkermansia muciniphila is difficult to produce and keep stable outside the body. The supplement uses a carefully developed process to include the pasteurized form of the bacterium, which helps preserve the beneficial components while maintaining stability in capsule form. This approach allows the supplement to deliver the key benefits of Akkermansia in a way that can be safely taken every day. Taking the supplement is simple. The first step is to take one capsule each day with water, ideally before a meal. Taking it at the same time every day makes it easier to stay consistent and helps establish a routine. The second step is consistency over time. Because probiotics support the balance of bacteria in the gut, results usually appear gradually rather than immediately. Regular daily use gives the digestive system time to respond and adjust. The third step is supporting the process with healthy habits such as balanced meals, fiber-rich foods, and regular activity, since gut health is closely connected to lifestyle choices. Quality and preparation are also important when choosing a probiotic. The supplement is produced under strict manufacturing standards and tested to help ensure purity and stability. The capsules are designed to protect the ingredients so they can reach the digestive system effectively. This attention to stability and quality is one reason the product is often positioned as a more specialized probiotic compared with standard options. Looking at the formula overall, the main difference is its focus on a specific bacterium that plays a unique role in the gut. Instead of combining many different strains, the supplement targets one key microbe that supports gut lining health and metabolic balance. For people who want to focus probiotic rather than a broad blend, this approach may be appealing. So does it really work? For individuals interested in supporting gut health and metabolic balance through a targeted probiotic, Pendulum Akkermansia can be a practical option. Its focus on a specialized beneficial bacterium and its simple daily routine make it a convenient addition to a wellness plan aimed at improving digestive and metabolic health over time.